Hello. So I've got our corn here that I picked today. This is just just three different varieties, not that much. These plants started dying or falling over, so I just went ahead and picked them before, any birds or anything got to them. But I'll kind of show you. I've got painted mountain corn here. It's a nice reddish orange a little bit. This is the Navajo robin's egg, but this one came out with a lot of stripes and other cool looking stuff on it. You can kind of see the spotted ones down there. That's kind of the robin's egg look there. This one came out a little bit more how they were shown in the picture. You can see like those look kind of like robin's eggs, the little speckles there. These are also robin's egg. See, this one's got some pretty good little speckled looking on there. Also a little bit of orange on them too. And this one's pretty cool. I'm not sure exactly what this one is, but it's got a lot of stripes and oranges and a little bit of purple speckles right there. There's a red speckled one. So this one's really awesome. I like this one. That's cool. There's a good one there too. That one's got all kinds of weird stuff. And then these are they're called big horse spotted corn. Pretty rare. This one really came out awesome. It's got stripes and purples, and I think the purple can turn black too. So it's got all the colors on it. I really like these. So these are really rare. I think they sold out of seeds, and the seeds that I got actually weren't very good. They were really small and kind of shriveled up. They didn't look good, and the germination was like only 50% or so. So these were kind of hard, but they're looking really healthy, so I'll get some really good seeds out of these for next year. But these are just really truly amazing. This looks like a little bit of blue there on the edges. So anyways, that's just kind of the update. I still haven't even picked any of the other varieties I have. Got like 12 others, so these are the only ones so far. But I'll keep you updated on when I harvest some of those. Thanks.